Well, CoastLife, as you may see, Charlie Sakaitis not joining us today, feeling just a little under the weather. So we've got our field correspondent, Kendall Gordon, filling in with us here today. And it's been lots of fun so far, and I know it'll continue to be fun for the rest of the show.
Yeah.
But even though Charlie's not here with us, you know he is a curious guy, and he loves to learn, and he likes to give us the scoop on things that he has learned with, of course, a Wait, What Now?
Wait, what now?
For centuries, the pull of gold and silver has captured the attention of man. In 3000 BC, Egyptians revered gold as the flesh of the gods. Around that same time, and not so far away in Turkey, silver was being extracted and would soon be used as currency in Mesopotamia. The metals have represented power, wealth, status, and more, and that's all true in today's society. But it's not where the story ends. In 2025, the price of these precious metals surged to new heights in such a spectacular way that it made me go, wait, what now? For starters, listen to the numbers. The price of gold jumped nearly 75% this last year, and that sure is a lot. But the price of silver got an even bigger bump, 138%. So what's going on? Well, there are two different tales to tell here, but to break it all down, we need an expert. John Robinson of Robinson's Salisbury Coins and Bullion has a good explanation.
Gold's always been the standard, and it's always more expensive. It's a little bit more rarer than silver, but silver is being utilized much more than any other precious metal right now.
So just what does that mean? How is it being utilized? Well, John has an answer for that too.
Silver's used in everything. Silver's not just used in like little watch batteries. It's used in big batteries, car batteries. It's used in solar power, which is huge, the solar power. And then AI as well, and all your computers are using a lot of silver. So AI is really driving that as well.
And because silver is used in so many things, specifically tech-forward things, John thinks the price of silver is going to keep going up, and it's going to be going up faster than the price of gold.
Silver still has a lot more room to move, where gold may not only move maybe 25 or 30% over the next year, silver could double or even triple this next coming year.
So what does all that mean for you? Well, for the average person at home, it means that all the tech that contains silver is going to get more expensive. If the metal needed to make things cost more, well, then the price of those things, that has to go up as well. As for anybody looking to turn a nickel into a dime by investing in silver, John has both advice and a warning.
I do think that it's still got a lot more room to move. I think you'll see the price of silver at least double over the next year. But when I say it's a good investment, it's not a short-term investment. It's a long-term investment, because here lately the spikes have been up and down and up and down. It's a little bit scary the way the markets have been going.
And as always, anytime markets of any kind are running, there's money to be made, but there are also scammers looking to take advantage.
If you're buying gold and silver, you should definitely deal with a company that's very reputable, somebody that's local that you can go back to and talk to and explain to them. If you're going to buy online, make sure it's a national company. So it's a smart investment, but don't overinvest.
That last bit of advice may be the most important, because you never know what new technology is going to come along and change the use case for silver or even gold. You never know how geopolitics will play a role. Right now, China has strict export controls on silver. That could always change, which would affect the price. You could wake up on Thursday and see a huge surge. You could wake up on Friday and see a crushing drop. And in either case, it might leave you saying, wait, what now?
Wait, what now?
Very interesting stuff. I don't know if you feel a little smarter, Kendall. I feel like I've learned a little something new.
My brain is getting bigger as we speak. I could feel it.
It's all thanks to Professor Sakaitis.
Thank you, Sakaitis.
But speaking of silver and gold, we know coming up next month, the 2026 Winter Olympics will be headed our way. We can tune in here on Coast TV, but we've also been taking you behind the scenes to get to know some of these athletes. We're going to do that same thing when we get back.